This will make your iPhone faster, guaranteed. If your iPhone feels sluggish, try these tips to speed it up. Clear cache and unused data by going to Settings, Safari, Clear History and Website Data, and deleting apps you don't use. Make sure iOS is up to date by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Turn off Background App Refresh in Settings, General, and disable unnecessary location services under Privacy. Reduce animations by enabling Reduce Motion under Accessibility, Motion. Turn off automatic downloads in iTunes and App Store, and free up space by deleting large files or apps in Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Reset your settings by going to Settings, General, Reset All Settings, and remove unnecessary widgets in the Today view. Disable auto downloads for music podcasts in their respective settings. Finally, restart your iPhone to clear temporary data and boost performance. These changes should help improve your iPhone's speed, battery life, and overall performance.